way?
I got it.
Okay, come this way.
That way? Oh.
So you don't trip. Come this way.
Okay.
All right, now go get it. All right, what do we got here? What do we have?
The checkup?
We're gonna have a checkup?
Yes.
Okay, what's first?
This?
What's that?
I know, hammer.
Okay.
That's a hammer.
And then what?
This?
What's that?
I don't know.
Is this for my arm?
Put up.
Awesome.
Now, this one. This one is a good idea. Oh, there. You put the checkup right here. Put it right here. Turn the ear. Find the mom's ear.
Doing my mommy's ear?
You put daddy's in mine. You put one finger in.
Okay.
And put one finger. Oh. I will see it on the chair. I'm a doctor. Let me see.
Okay.
No, you're better.
I'm all better, thank you. Am I sick?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yeah, fix you.
You're gonna fix me?
Yes.
You're a good doctor.
This here back. Right now. Now, you're better.
I'm all better? I'm not sick anymore?
Let me get another one. This Band-Aid people is not fixing anymore. One Band-Aid?
Yeah, I need a Band-Aid.
Okay. This one Band-Aid is on here.
Okay.
And this one.
Okay, honey. That sounds good. You do my leg?
I can't. I'm done. This won't hurt a bit. He sounds bit. No, you are better.
Thank you, babe. You're so good.
Oh no, you go big one too.
I got a boo-boo?
Yeah, you are sick too.
I'm sick too? Now what?
Fix you. No, here. He's not going here. What happened to TV?
I turned it down.
Turn on again.
Why?
Because it's not steady.
You don't have to have it on.
Yes, you do.
Why? I like just talking to you.
I don't need to sit. You can't be passy.
Is that my passy?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Put your mouth.
I don't think I'll be doing that.
Why not?
I'll just pretend.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. Now listen.
Oh, look, it's little baby Natalie. Natalie Nightingale.
What this orange one is orange.
Yes, orange.
And this is pink.
That's right.
Now what this is purple.
That's right.
Now what this is white.
How many do you have?
With the Blue.
You are so correct. How did you know that?
I don't know what this is. Purple. This is purple.
That's right. You're so smart.
What this is. I can't eat it. Look what this color is. Blue, orange, pink, and purple, and white, and blue, and purple, and pink.
Very good, Natalie. Now, which one is your favorite?
This.
I love it. Good job, sweetie.
No, you're sick.
I'm sick? I thought I was all better.
No, you're sick again.
Oh, no. I need a doctor.
Oh. You're all better.
Yes! Thank goodness.
This one. Wait. See, this is pink. Let me do that one. And I do that. There's two topics. It's one ear. It's one ear. So I'll be a doctor. This one's Band-Aid, not Band-Aid. I'm Doc McStuffed. Doc is